Hi guys, season's greeting from SPOTO family. Don't miss our latest IT demo quiz and get your exclusive New Year offer for all whole IT products. I'm Celia from SPOTO, your IT supporter, ready to learn more about AWS, Microsoft, CompTIA, and Palo Alto. Follow me in today's webinar. Don't miss your chance to pass your IT cert exam in first attempt. We focus on IT for 23 years. We can give you best guidance during your preparation. Don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more updates. In today's live stream, we focus on the field of cloud and cybersecurity. Let's see what certifications are most in demand in 2026. And what's more, we have exclusive New Year offer in today's live stream. Ready to get your IT certification in the beginning of 2026? Yes, stay tuned and you will know. Hi, welcome new members. In this lecture, I will walk you through top 5 of the hottest IT certifications in 2026. Follow me and we will do practice tests together. This is a good opportunity to let you better know about the exam and pass it on the first try. Yes, in cybersecurity, you can choose CompTIA, Palo Alto, or Fortinet. First of all, let's look at CompTIA CYSA Plus certification. CompTIA CYSA Plus is an intermediate-level certification designed for IT professionals, focused on threat detection, analysis, and response. It validates skills in using security tools and analytics to identify vulnerabilities, monitor networks, and proactively defend against security incidents. The exam covers topics like threat intelligence, security architecture, incident response, and compliance. Earning CYSA Plus demonstrates practical hands-on cybersecurity skills and is recognized globally as a valuable credential for roles such as security analyst, threat hunter, or SOC specialist. Yes, earning your CYSA Plus certification can help you in roles such as cybersecurity analyst, SOC analyst, threat intelligence analyst. Yes, the salary is good, right? Okay, let's do a practice test together to assess your knowledge and skill. I will show the correct answers and explanation to help you understand the questions well. For winners who answer all the 5 questions, you will get an actual bonus. Yes, it's amazing. Let's move to the quiz part now. Okay, question 1. A security analyst is investigating a group of SIEM alerts about the installation of a potentially unwanted program on multiple devices. Due to the number of alerts, the analyst is concerned that the program may not be safe. Which of the following actions should the analyst take to determine whether an incident is occurring? A. Place the devices on an isolated VLAN with no external access. B. Use packet captures to analyze traffic for communications to command and control destinations. C. Run manual virus scans on all devices and quarantine any findings. D. Re-image the devices immediately and instruct the users to avoid installing the program in the future. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please type answer in the comment zone and let me know. Welcome new members, please type your answer in the comment section. Okay, let's see the questions. Let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B. Option B is the most direct investigative action to determine if the PUP is exhibiting malicious network behavior, indicating an active incident before moving to containment or eradication steps like isolation or reimaging. Okay, question 2. A security analyst is assessing the security of a cloud environment. The following output is generated when the assessment runs: authentication error, instance not found on preset location. Which of the following should the analyst use to fix the issue? A. Run module name and exit module name, session name and module args, arg1. C. Set regions, region 1 and set key. D. Who am I and data service name. Okay, please choose one of the answers in the comment zone. Okay, please reveal the answer together. Yes, the correct answer is C. You can see the explanation here. Okay, question 3. The website of a large retail chain is failing to enforce encrypted HTTPS connections, leaving customer account credentials exposed. Which of the following is the best corrective action for resolving this issue? A. Remove any redirect settings of HTTP connections to HTTPS. B. Implement HTTP strict transport security headers. C. Install a self-signed certificate on the web server. D. Reduce the default timeout period for all web-based sessions. Okay, please choose A, B, C, or D in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B. HSTS is the direct and best corrective action, as it instructs browsers to automatically convert any insecure HTTP connection attempts to HTTPS, permanently enforcing encryption from the site and preventing credential exposure. Okay, question 4. During security scanning, a security analyst regularly finds the same vulnerabilities in a critical application. Which of the following recommendations will best mitigate this problem if applied along the SDLC phase? A. Conduct regular red team exercise over the application in production. B. Ensure that all implemented coding libraries are regularly checked. C. Use application security scanning as part of the pipeline for the CI/CD flow. D. Implement proper input validation for any data entry form. Okay, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is C. Integrating security scanning directly into the CI/CD pipeline is the most effective SDLC phase recommendation. It ensures vulnerabilities are automatically detected and can be remediated early during development, before the code is deployed. This shift-left approach prevents the same flaws from being repeatedly introduced into production, directly addressing the root cause of the recurring findings. Okay, let's go to question 5. A company wants to implement protection mechanisms after an incident in which customer information was sent to a third party. Which of the following tools should the company implement? A. SIEM, B. EDR, C. CASB, D. DLP. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the answer together. Yes, the correct answer is D, DLP. You can see the detailed explanation here. Okay, I see many of you choose the right answers. Yes. So for New Year sale, the CompTIA CYSA platform is on huge sale as well. For New Year sale only, you can get it for just $210. Yes, that's a massive discount today. Don't just watch, grab it now. This link is waiting for you in the chat. Yes, you can see. You click the link on the comment section and then register in our website. Input your email and verification code and click buy now and ask admin to get the coupon code. Then you can choose PayPal or OnPay to pay with your debit or credit card. Next, let's move to Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall Engineer Certification. The NGFW demonstrates hands-on skills in core security functions like threat prevention, URL filtering, decryption, and network segmentation, as well as troubleshooting and day-to-day firewall operations. This certification is highly regarded as specializing in Palo Alto Networks security solutions. Check the salary for NGFW here. Yes. The highest salary can be 124,000 USD. Yes, it's amazing, right? Let's do the practice together and you will see how the exam quiz look like. Question 1. In a hybrid cloud deployment, what is the primary function of Ansible in managing Palo Alto Networks NGFWS? A. It automates NGFW policy updates and configurations through playbooks. B. It enables log collection for NGFWS. C. It provides a web interface for managing NGFW hardware clusters. D. It facilitates dynamic updates to NGFW thread database. Okay, please choose A, B, C, or D in the comment zone, and we will see the answers after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. This is the primary function of Ansible in this context. It serves as an automation and configuration management tool using declarative playbooks to ensure consistent, repeatable deployment and management of firewall process across hybrid environments. Okay, question 2. In regard to the advanced routing engine, what must be enabled first when configuring a local router on a PAN-OS firewall? A. Content update. B. Plugin. C. General setting. D. License. Hurry on, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please let me know. Welcome new friends, please leave your answer in the comment section and we will see the correct answers together. Yes, the correct answer is C. When configuring a logical router in the PAN-OS web interface, you must first define its basic parameters in the General Setting tab. This step is required to create and name the router object before you can proceed to configure its interfaces, routing protocols, or other specific features within the advanced routing engine. Question 3. In an active high availability configuration with two PA series firewalls, how do the firewalls use the HA3 interface? A. To exchange hellos, heartbeats, HA slate information, and management plans synchronization for routing and user ID information. B. To perform session cache synchronization among all HA peers having the same cluster ID. C. To synchronize sessions, forwarding tables, IPsec security associations, and IRP tables between firewalls in an HA pair. D. To forward packets to the HA peer during session setup and asymmetric traffic flow. Okay, please write your answer in the comment section. Okay, yes, the correct answer is D. You can see the explanation here. Question 4. Which forwarding methods can be used on the Objects tab when configuring the log forwarding profile? A. SNMP HTTP radius. B. Panorama ADAM syslog. C. Panorama syslog email. D. syslog HTTP net flow. Members, please write your answer in the comment zone. Okay, time's up. Yes, the correct answer is C. On the Objects tab, when creating a log forwarding profile in PanOS, the available forwarding methods you can configure are specifically Panorama, syslog, and email. Okay, last question for NGFW. What is the purpose of assigning an admin role for profile to a user in a Palo Alto Networks NGFW? A. Define granular permissions for management tasks. B. Restrict access to sensitive report data. C. Allow access to all resources without restrictions. D. Enable multi-factor authentication for administrators' access. Okay, please choose the right answer in the comment section. Okay, the correct answer here is A. You can see the explanation here, or you can ask the admin in the group for more details. Yeah, I know some of you may want to get more practice tests for NGFW exam, right? Yes, here you go. We have NGFW exam done. It is stable and valid now, and it has stable pass every day. If you want to get NGFW certified in first try, SPOTO NGFW Real Down can help you. The original price for NGFW Down is $300. Guess how much discounts can you get today? Yes, we have reduced it to $160 only. This is the best price in this year for New Year sale only. Grab it before it ends. Why choose SPOTO? Yes, there are many competitors in the market. They are cheap, but they are not valid. So please focus on the quality and the service of SPOTO. And we have 23 years of IT training experience. We can help you get 100% passed verified questions and answers, and we can help you pass with minimum time. And we give professional support after payment. Yeah, you may think how to order and how to get our service. First, you need to register in our website and input your email and verification code. Then click the link of the product you want. Click buy now and input the coupon code from admin. And then you can pay with PayPal and all-in pay with your debit or credit card. And there are 5 easy steps to get certified. Select your certification, pay the fee, and connect with us, and then practice and pass. Once we receive your payment, you can get access to your learning materials anytime you want. All you need to do is practice and pass exam in first try. Next, let's look at the Fortinet certification, which is worth investing in 2026. Yes, the main check focus on FCC and FCP. Today we will give details to Fortinet NSE 5 CPFMG AD 7.6 this exam, which is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and configure Fortinet security solutions. Okay, let's do the test together. Question 1. What allows FortiManager to run CLI scripts on FortiGate devices without prompting for SSH authentication each time? A. FortiGate devices using the legacy login method. B. The script on the FortiManager device database. C. The secure management tunnel between FortiManager and the FortiGate devices. D. The script using the remote FortiGate directly option. Okay, please choose the answer within the 30 seconds preparation time. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is C. The persistent encrypted tunnel established during device registration and authorization is the foundational technology that allows FortiManager to automate CLI script execution and other management tasks without requiring repeated SSH login credentials for each command. Okay, question 2. The administrator uses FortiManager to push a CLI script using the remote FortiGate directly via CLI option to configure an IPsec VPN. However, when running the script, the administrator receives the following error: config VPN IPsec phase 2 interface, parameters invalid, detail object mismatch. What must the administrator do to resolve the script error and successfully apply the IPsec configuration? A. Run the script using the policy package or ADOM database method. B. Add a second config VPN IPsec phase 2 interface block without linking it to phase 1. C. Use IPsec templates to deploy provisioning templates. D. Add the end command after finishing the IPsec phase 1 interface configuration block. Okay, please choose the right answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is C. This method resolves mismatch error by allowing FortiManager to validate the configuration within the full context of the ADOM object database. It ensures dependencies like phase 1 interface references are correctly resolved before pushing the script, which the remote FortiGate directly option cannot do. Okay, question 3. An administrator notices that CLI scripts are failing on some FortiGate devices because they use different FortiOS versions. Which 2 actions should the administrator take to fix the failing CLI scripts? Choose 2. A. Disable CLI scripts for devices using older firmware. B. Create version-specific CLI script groups and assign them to the appropriate devices. C. Create separate ADOMs for each FortiOS version. D. Modify the CLI scripts to include conditional commands based on FortiOS version. Sorry. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Sorry for mistake. Please choose the right answer in the comment section for question 3. Be careful that this question has 2 answers. Okay, please see the answer together here. Yes, the answer is B and D. You can see the details here. If you don't have time, you can watch the live sale again after the end. Okay, question 4. An administrator assigned the training global policy package to the branch's policy package in ADOM1. Later, the administrator created a new policy package named remotes on ADOM1. What should the administrator do to sync the training global policy package with the remote policy package in ADOM1? A. Manually add assign the remote policy package to the training global policy package. B. Assign the training global policy package to the remote policy package. C. Use the automatically install policies to ADOM devices method to sync from the training global policy package to the remote policy package. D. Unassign the training global policy package and reassign it to all policy packages within ADOM1. Okay, please leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. The correct answer is B. Yes, you can read the explanation here. Okay, question 5. An administrator upgrades FortiManager with workspace mode per ADOM, enabled to the latest version, but noticed that the ADOM versions did not change. Why were the ADOMs not upgraded? A. The administrator didn't run the database integrity check before performing the upgrade. B. A FortiManager process task is stuck and blocking the ADOM upgrade, so the administrator must fix it. C. A user had all ADOMs locked before the upgrade, which stopped them from being upgraded. D. FortiManager doesn't automatically upgrade ADOMs after a firmware upgrade. Okay, please write your answer in the comment section. We will review the correct answer after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is D. The Faulty Manager system upgrade and the ADOM version upgrade are two separate manual administrative processes. After upgrading the Faulty Manager firmware, an administrator must manually upgrade the ADOM versions within the GUI to match the new firmware's supported version and unlock new features. Okay, that's all for the NSE5 SCP-FMG exam. If you want more exam questions, you can buy our complete and widely stable exam dumps here. In today's New Year sale, the NSE5 SCP-FMG 87.6 is on huge sale. You can enjoy your low price in 2026. The original price for it is $400. Now it's only $160. You can save $240. Yes, it's amazing, right? Don't miss this opportunity to save big in 2026. You can buy now and start whenever you want. Please check the link on the CompTIA in the live chat section. Today only. Please order now. Okay, now let's move to cloud certifications. Cloud certifications are also in high demand in the market. Let's see the AWS cert first. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, also called as SAACO3. This credential helps organizations identify and develop talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning AWS certified validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. Okay, let's do a test together for SAACO3. Question 1. A company uses Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL to run its applications in the US East 1 region. The company also uses machine learning models to forecast annual revenue based on near real-time reports. The reports are generated by using the same RDS for PostgreSQL database. The database performance slows during business hours. The company needs to improve database performance. Which solution will meet these requirements most cost-effectively? Yes, it's a long question. Here are 4 answers here. Please read it carefully and you can leave your answer after 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the answer together. The correct answer is D. This is the most cost-effective solution. It directly addresses the performance issue during business hours by offloading the intensive reporting workload from a primary database to a dedicated replica in the same region. This maintains low latency for report generation, provides near real-time data, and is a managed low operation overhead service. Question 2. A company runs its legacy web application on AWS. The web application server runs on an Amazon EC2 instance in the public subnet of a VPC. The web application server collects images from customers and stores the image files in a locally attached Amazon Elastic Store volume. The image files are uploaded every night to an Amazon S3 bucket for backup. A solutions architect discovers that the image files are being uploaded to Amazon S3 through the public endpoint. The solutions architect needs to ensure that traffic to Amazon S3 does not use the public endpoint. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Create gateway VPC endpoint for the S3 bucket that has the necessary permissions for the VPC. Configure the subnet route table to use to the gateway VPC endpoint. B. Move the S3 bucket inside the VPC. Configure the subnet route table to access the S3 bucket through private IP addresses. C. Create an Amazon S3 access point for the Amazon EC2 instance inside the VPC. Configure the web application to upload by using the Amazon S3 access point. D. Configure an AWS Direct Connect connection between the VPC that has the Amazon EC2 instance and Amazon S3 to provide a dedicated network. Please choose your answer in the comment section. Hurry up! Okay, time's up. The correct answer is A. You can see the explanation here, step by step. Question 3. A company recently launched a new application for its customers. The application runs on multiple Amazon EC2 instances across two availability zones, and users use TCP to communicate with the application. The application must be highly available and must automatically scale as the number of users increases. Which combination of steps will meet these requirements most cost effectively? Yes, you should choose two answers of the 5 choices. 8. Add a network load balancer in front of the EC2 instances. B. Configure an auto-scaling group for the EC2 instances. C. Add an application load balancer in front of the EC2 instances. D. Manually add more EC2 instances for the application. E. Add a gateway load balancer in front of the EC2 instance. Okay, time for you to choose the right answer. Sorry, here. Please choose 2 correct answers of this question. Okay, let's see the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A and B. Please read the explanation here. And we will go to question 4. A company is moving data from an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. The company must store all its data in an Amazon S3 bucket. To comply with regulations, the company must also ensure that the data will be protected against overwriting indefinitely. Which solution will ensure that the data in the S3 bucket cannot be overwritten? A. Enable versioning for the S3 bucket. Use server-side encryption with Amazon S3 managed keys to protect the data. B. Disable versioning for the S3 bucket. Configure S3 object lock for the S3 bucket with a retention period of 1 year. C. Enable versioning for the S3 bucket. Configure S3 object lock for the S3 bucket with legal hold. D. Configure S3 storage lanes for the S3 bucket. Use server-side encryption with customer-provided keys to protect the data. Okay, please choose the right answer in the comment section. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is C. Yes, you can see the details here. Question 5. A company runs its databases on Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL. The company wants a secure solution to manage the master user password by rotating the password every 30 days. Which solution will meet these requirements with the least operational overhead? A. Use Amazon Event Bridge to schedule a custom or AWS Lambda function to rotate the password every 30 days. B. Use the modified DB instance command in the AWS CLI to change the password. C. Integrate AWS Secrets Manager with Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL to automate password rotation. D. Integrate AWS Systems Manager Parameter Store with Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL to automate password rotation. Okay, please write your answer in the comment section. We will have 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. Integrate AWS Secret Manager with Amazon RDS. Yes. The detailed explanation is here. You can see the explanation thoroughly after replay. Okay, for AWS SA Associate exam done. We have huge sale now. The original price for SACO3 is $300. Yes, can you guess today how much it will cost? Yes, it's only $140 here. Please check the link on the comment zone in the live chat section today only. And its latest exam pass report, you can trust SPOTO. We can help you to pass AWS in first try. Okay, next we want to introduce Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification gives a professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industry-endorsed evidence for mastering skills in a digital and cloud business. Earning your AZ-104 certification can open doors to lucrative career opportunities from cloud architect to security engineer. Okay, we will have a short test for AZ-104 exam. Question 1. You have an Azure subscription that contains a virtual machine named VM1. You have an on-premise data center that contains a domain controller named DC1. Express route is used to connect the on-premises data center to Azure. You need to use connection monitor to identify network latency between VM1 and DC1. What should you install on DC1? A. The Azure Network Virtual Agent Virtual Machine Extension. B. An Azure Monitor Agent Extension. C. The Log Analytics Agent. D. The Azure Connected Machine Agent for Azure Arc-enabled servers. You have 30 seconds to answer this question. Please choose your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is A. This is the correct agent to install on the on-premise domain controller. Connection monitor, the tool specified for identifying network latency, requires the level virtual agent to be installed on any non-Azure machine, like DC1, that you want to monitor as a source or destination test endpoint. Question 2. You have an Azure storage account that contains 5,000 blobs accessed by multiple users. You need to ensure that the users can view only specific blobs based on blob index tags. What should you include in the solution? A. A shared access signature. B. Just-in-time VM access. C. A role assignment condition. D. A stored access policy. Please leave your answer in the comment zone, and I will choose the guy who answers all the questions correctly to give you free ebook as additional gift. So hurry up to leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C, a role assignment condition. Question 3. You plan to deploy 3 Azure virtual machines named VM1, VM2, and VM3. The virtual machines will host a web app named app1. You need to ensure that at least 2 virtual machines are available if a single Azure data center becomes unavailable. What should you deploy? A. All 3 virtual machines in a single availability zone. B. All virtual machines in a single availability set. C. Each virtual machine in a separate availability zone. D. Each virtual machine in a separate availability set. Choose your answer in the comment section. After 30 seconds, we will see the answer together. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is C. You can read the detailed explanation here or later. Question 4. You have an Azure subscription that contains multiple virtual machines in the West US Azure region. You need to use traffic analytics in Azure Network Virtual to monitor virtual machine traffic. Which two resources should you create? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Choose 2. A. An Azure Monitor Workbook. B. A log analytics workspace. C. A storage account. D. An Azure Sentinel workspace. E. An Azure Monitor data collection rule. Yes, be careful. This question contains 2 correct answers. Please write your answers in the comment zone and let me know. Okay, please check the answer here. Yes, the correct answer is B and C. Question 5. You have 2 Azure virtual machines named VM1 and VM2. You have 2 recovery services VAULTs named RSV1 and RSV2. VM2 is backed up to RSV1. You need to back up VM2 to RSV2. What should you do first? A. From the VM2 braid, click Disaster Recovery, click Replication Settings, and then select RSV2 as the recovery service vault. B. From the RSV1 braid, click Backup Items and store the VM2 backup. C. From the RSV2 braid, click Backup from the Backup braid, select the backup from the virtual machine, and then click Backup. D. From the RSV1 braid, click Backup Jobs and export the VM2 job. Please leave your answer in the comment zone. This is the last question today. Please grant the time to leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, the correct answer is B. Yes. You can see the detailed explanation here. And that's all for today's practice test. Okay, for Azure practice test, we have huge sale now. The original price for AZ104, AZ500, and AZ900, the original price for each is $250. Yes, Now today it's only it's only $100 for New Year sale price for each dump. Yes, and these are the latest past report here. Just ping admin to get more offer, and you can join the group for more updates. It's the lowest price ever. Buy now with 100 real exam dumps. Okay, let's look at some questions we are asked very often. Can I pass the IT exam with Q&As only? Yes, our dumps are same as the real exam. SPOTO practice test is 100% cover the real exam. Yes, if you practice while question bank, you will pass the exam successfully. And the question 2, how can I know my product is the latest? Yes, all our SPOTO products are updated fully, and our IT dumps are the latest on remote server. If there is an update on dumps, our service will inform you by email, and the server also will warn you when you practice dump. And what is the dump format? Yes, we support VC format, and you can log in with remote server, which is 100 same as the real exam. And many of you said, I'm not in hurry for the exam. But please remember that time waits no one, especially for the New Year sale, right? So you can buy now and start the service later when you're ready. Yes, you can buy now with lowest price and start the service anytime you want. Here is our exam dump rules. Yes, the written dump is VCE, which is same as remote server of over 24 hours and 7-day access for study or review. And what's more, we support flexible study. Yes, you can buy now with lowest price and get started whenever you want. Last but not least, I want to briefly introduce to you about SPOTO, about who we are, and what we have been doing, what sets us apart from other institutions. With the mission of changing the field by studying, built for a better future, SPOTO was founded in 2003, and over the past 23 years, SPOTO has helped more than 100,000 people get IT certifications and fosters more than 2,500 CCIE in the world. Yes, and this reflex means we have students pass their exam and the exam center all over the world. Yes. By January 2026, SPOTO serves in more than 152 countries and regions. We launched over 300 products and helped over 550,000 learners and helped over 2,500 CCIE get their CCIE certifications, and in other words, almost 10% of the CCIE holders in the world are SPOTO learners. By the way, in January, we have stable paths for CCIE, EI, DC, SEC, lab exam. Yes, very stable now with New Year sale offer. Please don't miss this huge offer. And also, our instructors are as passionate about what they do. They are the most experienced professionals in the IT industry. Also, these are the real customer reviews about SPOTO service. Yes, actions speak louder than words. Trust SPOTO, you can ace all IT exams in first try. Yes. Okay, that's all for today's New Year live stream. Thank you for joining us today. If you need any other IT certification study materials like Cisco, PMP, AWS, Microsoft, ASACA, CompTIA F5, ProAuthor, Aruba Fortinet, Juniper, Oracle, Prince2, and so on, SPOTO has over 300 IT products. Yes, you can choose what you want. Also, please join our group and get more IT certification, study materials, and ask admin for coupon code of the New Year special sale. Okay, if you like today's lecture, don't forget to give a like to this video. See you next time. Bye.